We got mangy arms going on. And I think it's just that you're not thinking about it. Can everybody just do that jump and really focus on your arm placement? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, ba-ba. Yep, try it again. That was, you guys, like night and day better when you're thinking about it. Do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, down up. Better.
A lot of us get stuck like here, like with our palm facing this way. If you really focus on like pulling everything back and making sure that your palms are facing outwards, it makes it a lot easier for them to have a place to get there.
And also, guess what that did too? When she did that, so she went from this position here, then she did this, and it opens up your chest, and what does that make you look? More confident, right? Yeah, if we're like this, we look like a little nervous, and don't look at me.
You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know.
Oh, can we work on open leaps really quick, just for a second? So that was better. So just remember, somebody be the reminder. Move to the center when you're dancing, so that we don't forget to go center, yeah? It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. That was better. 7, 8, hold. 1, 2, hit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I even want more of a shift. 5, 6, front. Snap that forward. Arms even, I think we could have more energy in our arms, but that was way cleaner, that part in general. Get low, now change your face, now you're hip hop. Point those feet, 5, 6, tight, arms, hop. Now faces. Hey, hey. Don't lose energy. Will you remind me to talk about these arms? I feel like they look sloppy on. Tight, tight, tight. Now reach through your feet. Reach, reach. Reach that leg, Eves. Point that foot. Skylar, get in your window. Good, lift up, sit up tall. Good. Okay, good. And stand. Yes, we will do that. I feel like right now, for me, our biggest, guess what was way better today? I feel like overall, that prep into that jump. That was way better. I felt like our arms were a little bit more controlled there. I feel like normally I'm like, oh my gosh, because we have arms like, but I feel like this time they were actually like, we were kind of hitting a placement more, so that's good. It's that leg, you guys, when we're turning, that extended leg needs to be straighter, and we got to point through our feet.